So, I've used my claws for tonight, and I pretty much prepared myself for tomorrow morning. Nerves are still a little bit shaky, but I think I'll be okay. Let's see. Anywho, I just wanted to kind of check in for tonight and let you all know that everything is a go. I will see you all in the morning pretty early. I think I'm gonna try and get up about 6 o'clock. Well, probably about 5 o'clock. But I may not even go to sleep because usually when I have appointments like this, I don't know what it is. I mean, it's like this for every appointment. I never go to sleep. It's like I be up all night. So, I may do some vlogging between now and in the morning. But don't be surprised if you see that on here. But anyway, see you in the morning. Got a whole blanket.
That's what I said. So, I guess you plan on sleeping.
Who said I was driving?
No, this one.
Cause you are. On our way.
A road stop.
Power 923 Jam.
Well, my name's Sarah. I'm
Hi,
gonna
Sarah.
be one of the nurses getting you ready this morning. A bigger one. They're gonna want an 18 gauge, something with good access. What is this? A TENS unit or is it a diabetes heart monitor? You wearing it?
Yeah,
Wow, crazy. I love it.
you do? It's yours.
I'll take it. Here it is.
Come get it.
I'm gonna go talk to anesthesia about this. See what they want to do, okay?
Hey, hello, sir. How are you?
We have room up here. I don't see the problem. So let's see. It's gonna be a big Coke. If you're gonna start, no. Tense. Go back on one. What did it exactly that? He tends to go up. I'm not sure.
So what's the IV for? Yeah, they give me that rat poison over there at that cancer treatment center. That's what he called it, rat poison. And he told me how bad he was and everything. He says, and that lady right there, she's my driver. That's not.
Okay. Mama got out of surgery.
So you gonna be with her?
Yeah.
Okay, well come on back.
We're going to go up to 67 degrees, even with mostly cloudy skies. Now, it will be a windy day, but it will be a warm day. And if we do get 67, it will be the 4th warmest Valentine's Day we've had since 2000 here in Little Rock. And I went back and looked at all of those, 15 out of what will be 20
You like that one?
and above our average high today at 55 degrees. So Valentine's Day has somewhat of a record of being a little warmer.
Damn. You know you still got some chicken. Popeyes in there.
I told you I'm making my video, Dad.
Worshipped you from afar, so to speak.
Well, it's bad to be in the sling on Valentine's Day, ain't it?
It's all right. Have a lot of trouble expressing how they feel. And the dearer a subject is to their heart, the more difficult it is for them to put it into words.
I know exactly what
My
I mean.
daughter's so sweet. She takes such good care of me.
Always.
It's like sometimes at night, the man is on the water.
Can you sit down? Uh-oh. Yeah, it's the ceiling fan. You caught it.
No, it felt like a tap. Or something that was tied came loose.
Mm-mm.
What is it?
I had it tied in the loop. Probably the loop came out.
Things that he might have said to her when
Your mama.
I wish you would have cut that string off a little more, but it's all right.
It's fine like that. I like ribbon. Would I be saying all the time?
What?
You know what that is?
A boo-boo sign.
Yeah. Yeah.
I be seeing that on Facebook page.
Shit.
And I know what it's good for.
Mm-hmm.
I suppose you guess who I'm talking about.
It's so pretty. And got she know my favorite colors. Pink and purple.
Else but Hank Myers.
Hank Myers. Hank Myers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You up there,
Mwah.
I just came out to air some bedding.
I love y'all.
Love you too.
Is Hank Myers?
Yeah, I wish you'd get somebody up there that cooking and stuff is what's.
I'm not a step
Well, I can do the cereal. You got to see cooking that cereal.
may not be able to do this one at all.
Anything.
Do you have full feeling in your arm now? It's not numb at all? It's just hurt. You just can't bring it up at all?
Oh, yeah.
Bend it at your side. but rotate out. Don't use the other hand. Rotate it out this way as best you can.
Each 3-4 times a day.
This does not feel
And your
good at
shoulder
all.
elbow with the splint on.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. And let me see. They probably have a protocol.
I need one of these
My
things.
whole hands too.
Yeah, that's that nerve.
Yeah.
If I would have known that I was going to be 50 times happier, I would have gone into Asphodel much sooner. It was a very life-changing experience.
And it felt like I was me again. That's when I realized I hadn't been for 3 years. At Aspen Dental,
I didn't realize how packed down this stuff had got. Mom.
It's not just about the president calling this
Hi.
and trying to, in fact,
So, this is where I am now.
that said, you read this report carefully, and it does not say that Whitaker was directed.
Arm is still a little sore, but it's I think it's pretty much on a good track. I hate that I can't take these steri strips off though, because it looked like they're well, this one doesn't look all that bad, but the one in the back, as you could see, is it has a lot of dried up blood on there. But I can't take them off because I think the reasoning that they're asking me not to remove them is because it's a possibility that if I do try and move them, that I may that I may end up pulling the stitches loose. It's a bit sore still around in that area. I'm lucky that I only have 2 holes instead of 3. I think a majority of the videos that I saw, people had 3 holes, but I only have 2 holes, which is enough for me, honey, because I could only imagine what that's like, having 3 holes in your shoulder. It's bad enough having these 2. But yeah. In this recliner has been pretty much a lifesaver because I really don't know how things would have worked out with me being in my bed. My bed is pretty comfortable, but I think my recliner is a bit more comfortable given the position that I have to keep my arm in. But anyway, this is 1 week. Today marks 1 week. Today is the 20th. Yeah, so tomorrow is the 21st. I have another appointment that I have to go to for occupational therapy. But yeah, this is where I am in my recliner. But anyway, I wish I could get something done to my hair. I don't want to show you what it look like right now because, I mean, it's like a small fro, but it's not really combed. I haven't been able to comb my hair in several days. My mom was here. She stayed here with me for about 5 days. Wait. See, she actually came the day before my surgery, so she was here from Tuesday to Monday. Yeah, from Tuesday to Monday. And she was a big help because, baby, right after that surgery, I was in nobody's shape to do anything. I mean, I don't even know how I got home, to tell you the truth. But anyway. Yeah. I am not looking forward to my appointment tomorrow. Trying to flip a pillow with one hand. Not too impossible, but I did it. But it's really better to have some help. I'm feeling a little depressed today. Gotta get myself together though, because I got an appointment. Wish I didn't have to go anywhere though. I don't feel like going anywhere, but I gotta go. It's just not a good day. So today is another therapy day. I get ready to go right quick. I think I'm just gonna leave my bonnet on. But I of work to do if I'm gonna get this arm back the way it's supposed to be. Work, work, work. A rainy day to be going to the VA again.
I'm sitting here talking to myself.
Shoot, just cause they used to the cold don't mean
We
we
stay
are.
out here. You try to match with me on the day nap every time. Decline. No, I'm not. Decline.
That wasn't the maintenance.
Yes.
Oh, that's what they say. I thought it was.
They be like, this person is interested in you.
He hoping you get. He hoping you click on that yes button.
You know, you gotta stay here.
President Trump has a long history of threatening litigation to settle his public feuds with members of the media. And it began well before politics. In 2006, when Donald Trump had his
It is cold, though.
Rosie O'Donnell, he threatened a lawsuit against the actress
Video on
to bring
again.
an end to their public war of words.
She's healthy, she's well. Mind y'all business.
That lawsuit never happened. But as president, Donald Trump has not given up on the idea that he should
What, you posting this stuff?
courts to silence his
I wish that was the case. I wish all this was already healed up.
For American fairness, so we're going to take a strong look at that.
Did you
So
post this
far,
stuff?
there hasn't been any legislative
No, not
movement on
yet.
this issue, but this week, Associate Justice of the Supreme Court Clarence Thomas breathed life into the president's war on libel laws by suggesting that landmark Supreme Court case from the 1960s, New York Times versus Sullivan, might be in need of a judicial.
I may be back Monday. I haven't know. I haven't read it.
A grab bar.
I don't think you have to have permission for that.
Yes, you do, because she said that it'll have to be installed. They have to drill holes, so they'll have to get permission to, drill holes in the bathtub to install a grab bar. They can't just install it without their permission. Since I'm a renter, it'd be different if I owned my own place, but that's their property, so they have to get permission. I don't think they'll need that. Well, I mean, she said it'll make it easier for me to get in and out of the bathtub. But I thought maybe because she said that they have the kind with the suction cup on the end, but she said they don't really trust those. Something to get out of the tub. Help me get out of the tub. It's raining out here now. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, I'm out of here. Ooh. So, today's therapy was kind of hard, but I got through it. Got through it. Thank you, Jesus. I got through it. But it's coming along pretty good. I can honestly say. She was pretty surprised at how far I've come with the exercises. But, yeah. You have to keep on pushing. Have that determination and the drive to get to where you want to be. It's cold. It's wet. And I don't care if I don't ever go back outside for another week. But anyway, just letting you know that therapy went pretty well. It was hard, but I made it. Well, letting this arm rest. It's just a little stiff, but not all that stiff. It's still quite sore in my shoulder, but it's slowly improving. They want me to use the sling a little less so that I can regain my strength in my arm and in my shoulder. Which at first I kind of thought that was ridiculous, being that it's only been a little over a week since the surgery, but I guess they want me to go as fast as possible with this therapy thing. But anyway, next week I'll be seeing the doctor. I think that'll be on the 26th. I'll be seeing the doctor, and he's gonna go over the pictures that he took during the surgery to explain to me exactly what he did when he went in there. But I don't know. Is anybody that's going to have the same surgery that I did, I will tell you to make sure that you have enough help to where you won't have to do any pushing, pulling, lifting of any kind. I can say for the first few days, it'll be very hard for you to dress yourself. If you take more baths than showers, you'll need somebody to help you in and out of the bathtub. Doing any kind of physical activity that would require you to have 2 working hands instead of 1. What else? The exercises that they give you to do is important because, like I say, they want to get you back to where you can live your everyday normal life without any complications. I'm just hoping that I won't end up having to have a second surgery on this shoulder, because now this one is starting to bother me a little bit. And I guess it's because I've been overcompensating for this arm as well. But yeah. But anyhow, this is just a little bit of commentary on what I've had to do, what I'm going to have to do, and I may be doing a third video. I'm not really sure. It just depends on what the doctor's going to tell me when I go there next week. But yeah. Anyway, I would appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, and leave any kind of comments in the comment section. And maybe you'll see a third video, maybe not. I'm not really sure yet. But anyway, talk to you later. Switches.